Okay, so here it's all set up. I've got some of my plants in there. I haven't done a video for a while because my original batch got completely killed off by the heat. So you can see the 2 green basils on the outside, the purple's there. Unfortunately, I did have some Swiss chard going, and then either a bird or a gecko ate the leaves. This had 3 nice leaves. I don't have a lot of hope for that growing back. I've got tile seedlings here. That's another one that got eaten. That definitely got eaten. Unfortunately, the 1 kale plant I had was also eaten. But anyway, so the system's all set up and going. So we've got the double tap. I'm adjusting the flow here to try to make sure it doesn't overflow, it doesn't dry out up here. Paint's coming off. We did get a black bin, so we spray painted it white to try to keep the heat down, even though the water is still, it's cooled off quite a bit. It looks kind of a pinky color because of the nutrient solution that I have in there. So let's see if we can have a little peek inside. See there? Now some of our, because our pots really don't sit upright very well. Oh, here's my new Swiss. There's a little baby. When we first came out, the leaves were very upset and they kind of shriveled up. But I got them going again. I think they just needed some water. So I've got, I don't know what that is. I think that maybe that's kale. So I wanted to point out one thing about plants. The very cool thing about plants is that they automatically know where gravity is. So I want to come on the side here. And just in the few hours they've been out, you can already see how the stem is adjusting just at the tip there because of gravity. Maybe that one over there as well. This one's pretty good. 2, let me see that. Go, focus on that one. So you can just see the little slight curve here. Plants have something called gravitropism, where they automatically reorient themselves according to gravity. It has to do with the hormones. That one is just really funky anyway. But so we'll keep you updated on how the success is. I'm hoping that it all works okay, but very excited.